Hey, it just barely worked out. I wasn't able to, I ended up having to be here underneath it so that the weight was closer to the machine, so I had enough hydraulic power to come off and down onto the ground. We started obviously with the forks like this, but it just was too far out. We had sandbags on the machine, and the guy that's giving me the shed was out here for counterweight as well, and that was all right. I just didn't, once again, didn't have the hydraulic power. It would come off the top, but then it's immediately sagging, and I couldn't keep catching it up as I backed up. It's dragging on the top of the wall, and once with the amount that I had to cut out of the wall and the door on the other end to be able to get in there, there was so much structural integrity missing from the walls once this roof was disattached that as I had to set it back down, it wasn't aligned perfectly to these walls. So it was a little sketchy there for a couple minutes because it was nothing under it. And when I realized I couldn't pick it up traditionally, I had to quickly imagine a new solution. So I'm happy that just scooting the machine a little closer, and with what I had built onto the bottom of the rafter ties, it wouldn't have helped to move in underneath it that much if it was just air under there. So I was glad to have had the forethought to give myself basically a grid surface so that I could get under it. What did I do? I went across with three, all those rafter ties, but then I went across with one, where is he? 2 and 3 2x6s the whole way as well. So anyway, I ended up with what I needed. Gladly. I don't know why this has a bubble in it right down there. We'll figure that out, but I think losing the shingles will be the ticket in putting it back up. I was hoping to just come home and put it back together again and get me through the winter and look at it in the spring, but anyway, I'll sleep on it like I told him. Sometimes if I just quit when I'm ahead and I go home and rest and have something to drink and eat and relax, I wake up in the morning with a bright idea. But we're gonna truck it out of here tomorrow. I think now I can at least set it on the trailer like this and block it up so that I can get under it again to get it off the trailer at my house and make the most of our rental equipment trailer and our buddy's dad who's gonna move the building for us and get that all done and down to our house. Then I can do my head scratching and waste time once it's there. So cool. We'll come back and see how far we get tomorrow loading it up. We'll see ya.